Late this afternoon, the jury came back in the David Watson triple murder trial.
We're on the record. Jury has joined us. We have received your latest indication that you are unable to come to verdicts, and that remains the case, Ms. Kimbrough? Yes. I've been asked to read this instruction to you, and I will. As jurors, you have a duty to discuss the case with one another and to deliberate in an effort to reach a just verdict. Each of you must decide the case for yourself, but only after you consider the evidence impartially with your fellow jurors. During your deliberations, you should not hesitate to re-examine.
A hung jury is the result of the 7-week trial of the former Tucson fire captain. 9 Inside's Priscilla Casper joins us live at the courthouse with more. Priscilla.
Good evening, Valerie and Guy. After 7 weeks of testimony, and it just took a couple days for the jury to decide, they couldn't come up with an agreement as to whether or not David Watson is guilty of murdering 3 women nearly 2 decades ago. Now, Watson is accused of killing his first ex-wife, her mother, and her mother's friend. The death of Linda Watson in 2000 and the 2003 murders of her mother, Marilyn Cox, and her friend Renee Farnsworth were cases that had not been solved. Now, 60 people testified during trial. We heard from Rosemary Watson, Watson's second ex-wife, who admitted she lied to the police about the alibi she gave for David Watson the night of Linda Watson's disappearance. Watson's daughter, Jordan, took the stand and couldn't remember much details the night of her mother's disappearance. And Pat Hinkle, she took the stand to testify. She was a relative of 2 of the women killed. Now, over 500 pieces of evidence were presented during trial, but again, this was a hung jury of 8 women and 4 men. Now, the judge did place a gag order, so no witnesses are allowed to talk. And next Friday at 9 a.m. there will be a status conference of how they would like to proceed with the case. Reporting in downtown, Priscilla Casper, KGUN 9 on your side.